Your customers expect fast, fully transparent shipping options that are easy to track, plus world-class customer service for whenever a problem arises. Lowry has partnered with ShipTrack to provide an innovative cloud-based delivery tracking and management solution that allows you to track anything in real time on any Android OS device. ShipTrack is a 100% paperless solution that allows you to automate order processing, invoicing, delivery routes, and more to create a highly efficient delivery system that naturally boosts your customer service levels. ShipTrack also helps improve driver safety and compliance with optimized routes and turn-by-turn navigation. You can even track on-time deliveries plus overages, shortages, and damages throughout the supply chain. Best of all, ShipTrack is fully scalable and easy to deploy, configure, and manage, making it a powerful, highly efficient option for almost any industry or application. Call Lowry today to request an appointment and schedule a demo.